Welcome back to the channel, guys. I figured I would take this 700 CLX down to camp. We're going to camp, and I figured why not, you know, spread its legs a little bit and see what she can do. Now, she just might sound a little sluggish because I got her in eco mode. I found that eco mode is a little bit more enjoyable to drive when you're going for a cruise, and sport mode is, well, it's sport mode, and she will get up and go in sport mode. But I figured for this, let's relax, let's just enjoy the windy, curvy roads and see how she does. I got 38.6 miles on her so far. I just had to fill it up with gas. I don't even remember how much gas they give me when I got it. I cannot remember that for the life of me at all. But now we got a full tank. Now we know how much miles is in it. I'm curious to see what it actually gets. That's given that I stay out of the dang throttle. I tell you what, this bike is, you know, it's real responsive on handling. It handles very well. When you first get on it, it feels like it's going to be top heavy, and it feels like it's not going to ride real good. But then you start spinning the wheels and it's a complete different story. It handles so much better. Sport, eco, sport. So yeah, you can see the difference there. My buddy's home. Nope. Laura's way behind us. I don't know if you can see her in the mirror back there. She's way behind us. But yeah, we'll put her back into eco, because that's perfect for the back road cruising. Throttle's not so sensitive. Look, that's eco. That's sport. It's I find both modes on this bike very nice depending upon the riding that you're doing. If you're one that might want the power, well, stick her in sport. But me, I do like to cruise once in a while. Oh, that bug hurt. Ouch. Tell you what, I wasn't sure how I felt about that fat tire, but it rides a little different than I'm used to on street bikes. But it handles good, and I don't know, just overall works. Coming up some curves. I'm hoping that wind isn't too much on you guys. If so, next time we moto vlog, we'll put down the visor on the helmet. But we're only doing 50, 47, 48, but it's only 45, so. And I know these speedometers are probably 3 to 5 miles an hour off. So we're probably only doing about 42, roughly. I love this ride. This is an awesome ride. It truly is. I painted that trailer green. I remember when it was blue. Nice. It is very soft riding. It definitely soaks up the bumps. The only thing, again, I'm gonna keep saying it, I'm not a fan of the seat at all. It's too stiff, but the bike itself rides really good. Man, it's almost four-wheeling weather. It is four-wheeling weather. But we gotta get down here to camp and clean it up, get it opened up for the season. Then after the work is done, then we can play. Oh yeah. Woo. She gets up there good. She does. She get up there pretty good. My poor wife, she's probably like, what an idiot. What an idiot. Looks like others got their campers out and ready to rock. That one's for sale. Too bad it's a fifth wheel. I don't want a fifth wheel. No way. And you gotta buy a new truck and I like my truck. It would probably haul that fifth wheel, maybe, I don't know. Struggle a little bit, I don't know. Oh yeah, nice little ride, guys. I'm going to probably get out on the 300NK here real soon. Do some more videos on that. I do like that bike, I really do. It's good for cruising and going fast if you want to. It's good for both. It does. Oh, my hands go numb. Anybody have a solution for that? I'm thinking of better grips, because they like to go numb. Yeehaw, baby! My hands wake up some. Sheesh. Woo! All right. Yep. I'm hungry. Fat guy gotta eat. There's food down here. We gotta go to camp first. We'll figure it out here later. Go. That's how you do that shit. That's exactly how you do that. We'll see how it does down these dirt roads, man. She's still bumpy. I'm gonna let Laura get way ahead of me, because if not, we're gonna be dusted way out in about a minute. Let's let her get way up there. A lot of trees down. I have to find out if I can come cut them up. Hey, that looks like a nice camping spot. It does, doesn't it? Too close to houses, though. Alright. Let the dust fly. We're about to eat dust. About to eat dust. I should have went in front of her. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? It does handle real good on the gravel compared to the 300NK. The 300NK is kind of all over the place, but I'm guessing it has everything to do with the fatter tires on this bike, because it does handle the gravel a little better. The 300NK didn't do too bad, but I can definitely drive a little bit faster on the gravel. 300NK at 18, 20 miles an hour. I could probably comfortably do 35 on this, but I'm not, because you never know about gravel. You just don't. Oh yeah, wasn't too dusty this time. Seen a road pizza back there. Did you guys see that? I seen it. If you didn't, go back, you'll see it. And tell me if you've seen it. Poor guy. I always try to avoid hitting animals. I'm just an animal lover. I don't even care if it's a skunk, man. If I can not hit it, I'm gonna not hit it. Period. He deserves to live too. Oh yeah. It's always so beautiful down in here. It just is. Alright guys, we're coming into camp. Peace out. God bless. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys want more videos on this or not. Can't wait to go fishing. Peace.